I welcome you to our show which is called Books of the Bible. In the last show, we have learned the first 5 books of the Old Testament. So in today's show, we will learn the next 3. So the 6th one is Joshua, and Joshua has 24 chapters. And the 7th one is Judges, and Judges has 21 chapters. And the 8th one is Ruth, and Ruth has 4 chapters. Repeat these after me. Joshua 24 chapters, Judges 21 chapters, and Ruth 4 chapters. Now let's say these together. Joshua 24 chapters, Judges 21 chapters, and Ruth 4 chapters. So friends, I hope you have learned the next 3 books of the Old Testament. So if you like our videos, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel, and also please hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. And please comment below, and please share our videos. Bye, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.